today's video, I will be showing you guys how to save money and make your own caramel macchiato. This is the recipe that I've been using, so keep on watching if you'd like to know. So depending on where you go, you can find the Starbucks vanilla syrup. I like to go to Home Goods, but for this video I went to Walmart. Walmart has other flavors as well. You can also find the Starbucks coffee pods and regular coffee at Walmart, Home Goods, or TJ Maxx. And this part is very optional, but I like to get these plastic cups from the Dollar Tree just because they kind of look similar to the Starbucks cups and it makes me feel like it's the same thing. So I just use those, and I also like to buy disposable straws. So to start, I usually use my Keurig and I add the coffee pod to it, and I just make like the smallest possible cup that you can make. Or if you don't have a Keurig, you can just use the coffee that you can make with water. Then I take my cup and I add my caramel to the outside like they do at Starbucks and a little bit at the bottom. Then I go ahead and I add my ice cubes. Then I'm going to add some milk. You can use whatever milk you want. Right here I use a lot of milk. Sometimes I do half milk, half coffee, but I usually like to have more milk than I have coffee. And the last thing that I'm going to do is add a little bit more caramel and then also add my vanilla syrup.